What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. I did a recap a little while ago, got it posted, and right after that, I ended up taking a trade. During the recap, if you caught the recap, I was mentioning that I liked the way that the charts were looking on MNQ, and that I thought the market was going to make a move down, thought it was going to flush down. So what I did was, instead of trading on my PA accounts, because I don't want to trade those PA accounts after hours, I opened another Apex account, y'all. Apex just so happened today running an 80% off special. And I had some money sitting in a Cash App account that I ain't doing nothing with. So I grabbed another 50K account and decided to take that trade that I had mentioned inside of my recap. And I did start recording. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead, pull up this recording. I want y'all to see the trade that I took. And then I'm going to pull up Ninja Trader. And then we're going to look and we're going to see where this thing is at right now. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try to flip my mic around to see if we can pick up a little bit of the commentary from when I was actually taking the trade. And then I'll kind of talk through it as well, because I want to speed the video up. So when I speed it up, I don't want y'all to hear me sounding like a chipmunk. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to flip this on over to the main screen. Already have the video pulled up. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to flip my mic around and go ahead and kick this audio up. And we'll get it started. I'm already in the trade.
What's up, y'all?
Like I said, this is just gonna be my commentary.
Just wrapped up my recap, and if you caught the recap, you saw I kept talking about a level.
This is the level I was talking about right there. When it broke that level,
that I was liking it. So
if you come over to the 200, you see that we had broke it, and I'm in the trade.
And I am playing this
10 MNQs
to give up this level. And this isn't a new account. I just opened up a new account. Apex has 80% off. So I went on and I grabbed a 50K account, another 50K account. I think it was like $30. That's like dinner for me. So decided to grab this trade. So we're gonna see what it's gonna do. I am expecting for this to push back down. Expecting for it to push back down. Decent risk on this trade. Decent risk. If this does come back up, and it's on the 500 tick chart, I might grab 5 more if this pushes up to here. And see what it does. Let's see what 944 is. So if this makes it down to 944, it's about a $200 trade. Not bad, not bad.
now.
But
See, I mentioned 944
expecting this to
because of this line
out the rest of the evening.
But my target is like 933.
I got my stop in place.
My target is like 933.
Stop out all the way up here. I just have it sitting up there for now.
Yeah, and this is not where my stop would have been about 9
right there.
66. 966 or so.
5 more right there. I'm going to move this.
Now watch what I do here, y'all.
To right there. Actually, I'll get out of 10 of these. Right there.
Now, after I get this set up, I am going to speed this up and lower the volume for a second. I'll go ahead
All
and
the
do
way
it now.
down is 933. Here,
I'm
put that
speed
number
it
right there.
up.
Drop 5 right there. So as you can see, I would get out of 10 of them.
Go ahead. I'm gonna just turn that volume down, and I'll just I'll talk this through real quick on this. I have my stop up here. Real stop is about 966. So 16,966, right around this pivot right here. That's where if it came back up there, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna exit out of the trade. But I grabbed 5 more when this pulled back up. I wanted it to come up a little bit higher, but I didn't really think it was gonna make it back up there. So I did that. I'm gonna go ahead right here, and I'm moving the getting the text out of there so we can just see the entries. But I have 10 set to exit if this makes it down to the 100 SMA on the 500 tick chart. But my ultimate target on this was 16,933. That is my target. And again, I'm just looking for this to push down. Now, one thing, if we look, we see that if you draw a line, that's kind of like the down channel. So if this breaks, that's why I was saying that that was going to be my target. All right, that's where my stop was going to be. But now I switch over to the 1,000 tick chart. And now I see what's causing the problem. We got this moving average right here. We had that moving average that's giving us smoke. But if you notice, the 1,000 tick chart has flipped red. So that's a good sign. It's flipped red. We did see it flip red over here and then flip back green. Don't want to see that happen. I was mentioning that during the video. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna kind of start speeding this up right here. And then I will go back and we'll listen to the commentary on the video. But this is after hours. You see how slow the market is moving right now? It's very slow. So I'm gonna speed this up. We see it is pushing back down. I'll speed it up again. I'm gonna speed it up. And there, finally get the move that I was looking for. But the thing with that is when this pushes down, my entry is right where it's going to kind of set up for a double bottom. And I don't want to see that double bottom right there. It's kind of pushing back up. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to speed it up a little bit more. Let's go. Speed it up a little bit more. Now, this is good. That right there held below. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna turn this volume back up on the video.
Got 112 more before that candle close.
There we go.
You're getting good volume. This is 10 seconds. That's good. This candle can close. That candle can close. Next candle can break. Oh yeah, that's what I want to see.
So you notice
there.
I've moved my stop down now.
Keep going.
Just in case that double bottom failed. But watch this. Listen to this.
Because I don't want to see that get back up there. That might be too tight, y'all. Might be locking that in a little bit. What I can do is split that. I could split that stop up and let it get out of maybe 5 right there. Let's do that. Increase. We'll move. Dog it. I didn't get it moved in time, y'all.
Y'all see that?
Okay, no problem.
Look, account padding. Did y'all see that, y'all? I was trying to move.
Coming back down.
I was trying to move my
I was trying to get out of just maybe 10 of them right there.
I was trying to move my doggone stop. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pause the video there. That was gonna be pretty much the end of the video. So I'm gonna pause it. But what I was trying to do, because this here was like a double bottom, I was gonna get out of either 5 or 10 of my contracts right there if that came back up. And I was going to put the stop for the other 5 or 10 right up here. Just actually, it was going to be about where VWAP was at right now. So what's that? 968. And then I was just going to let those 5 kind of work. Just let them finish working and either stop me out and take back some of that profit that I had just made, or it was going to work. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all where this thing is at right now. So let me go ahead. Let me close this out. This is the 5-minute chart. This is the 5-minute chart that was over there working. I'm going to go ahead. I am going to blow that one up. And there's the big picture, y'all. There is the big picture. This was my first entry, 10 MNQs. This was the second entry, 5 MNQs. This is where I had moved my stop to, and I was trying to get out of only partial of my position. I was going to move my stop back up here. Notice, I never would have gotten stopped out. If I took this to 68, that was way up there. That's where that was at that time. This thing never would have hit my stop, y'all. And look at what this thing did. Remember down here around 943, this was like around my first target area. Kind of chopped around, and then it broke it. And then remember 933, this was my target. Look at what it did. It kind of just chopped around that area, and then it gave up the ghost, y'all, and just flushed out. Man, such a beautiful trade. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna harp on it. Like I said, this is a new eval account that my goal is to try to get it qualified in about 3 days. That's $1,000 a day in that account. Basically risking $30. That account cost $30. I don't mind putting on some risk to see what we can do in that account. But just wanted to come back on real quick since I had recorded that and just show y'all what the market had did. On that note, I'm gonna wrap this one up and we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.